me and Charlotte, and for today's video, we're gonna have a makeup tutorial. So this is my makeup, and by the way guys, this one is from my daddy. He gave it to me last Christmas when I was there in Malaysia. And let's open it, guys. Oh, and I forgot about this. I got a powder here, a comb, and also a tissue. So if you will make any mistakes. Okay guys, so let's open it. Dun, dun, dun. Oh no! Okay guys, I lose two of these items. It's the what do we call this? Nail polish and the lipstick. So because I used this before, so I'm gonna borrow my mom's lipstick, because since we don't have any lipstick, I lost it. Okay, let's get. Mommy, can I borrow your lipstick? Oh, there it is. That's right, guys. Okay, go. We got mommy's lipstick. It's really purplish. It's purple, guys. See? Okay, let's close it because we're not gonna need this yet. Okay, let's get started of our makeup. Let's get this. I'm gonna have this. So I'm gonna get color pink because it matches my Hello Kitty. But first, I think we're gonna use this first, the powder, because so we will be more white. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. I'll just put it there, guys. Just wait. Let me see my mirror. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. I think we're gonna still need more. More for our forehead, big forehead. Let's see. Okay, we're done. And next, wait, let's turn this. Okay. So guys, we're gonna use the makeup already. Wait. Where's that? Something missing here. Oh my gosh, I think I lost it. Wait guys, I need to find it. Can you help me find it? Guys, this one for the I lost it. I don't know where is it. I just held it right in my hands. And I don't know where to put it. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm such a loser. Okay, no need to panic. It's just you gotta be here. Where are you? I'm gonna find you. Wait, guys, just give me a sec. Oh my gosh, this is getting any worse. Wait. I need to find it!
What's it in your account?
I just put it here. Somewhere here. Or did I put it inside here? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Found it, guys. Oh my gosh. That was a very guys. I'm gonna move here again. This is what happens if I always broke my things. I used this. Okay, so we're gonna use color pink for our eyes because it matches here. And let's do it, Minnie. There you go. Let's see in the mirror. Wait, I need to take this off. Like this. Okay, that's that. And the design is gonna be pink. I need more pink, guys. Come on, pink!
Oh no.
Oh, that's okay. Guys, let's do it. Okay, we're getting so much better already, guys. There you go. See, guys? Oh my gosh. Get another pinkish in my other eye. Let's get more. Okay, that's got good. I mean, so let's get another one. So the other one is gonna be purple. Come on, purple. Come on. Scrub the purple. Scrub the purple. Okay. So now let's put it at the top. Oh my god. I'm gonna need my tissue. Okay, is it perfect, guys? I need some more. Okay, guys, this is looking good. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. What's the effect? See, guys? It's so perfect! Okay, so when we're done with that, we're gonna have, add for our cheeks. So if we will add for our cheeks, we're gonna need pink as always for our cheekbones. This one is pink. Okay, is that perfect? Yeah. Let's see ourselves in the mirror already. Myself, I mean. What happened to my powder? Powder! Please help me. Okay, let's get some more. Okay, let's get some more in our other cheek. Let's put color yellow in our hair, or this kind of color, peach. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna lose it again. Don't be lose again. Okay, this kind of color next. On our nose. Go. So next up, guys, after this, it's gonna be it's nice. Lipstick. Let's get our lipstick here. My mom's lipstick, of course. Okay, let's put it here. We're doing pretty good, guys. Not too much, guys. I'm not good at doing lipstick. No. This is horrible if I will just lipsticks. Okay, let's do another one. We'll spread it. How do you look, guys? Comment it below, guys. So, I'm gonna have my real reveal. Just wait, guys. This is gonna be the best day ever. Bye guys, but thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you did, smash up the like button and see you next time. Goodbye. Mwah.